Hello and welcome back to my channel of Rated Analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so you guys can see regular updates. Okay, so when we were discussing gold yesterday in the gold analysis, we marked this area as an area of short-term support and this area as an area of short-term resistance, and you guys can clearly see that our support area was tested once over here and second time over here, and then market gave us a good profit. So if you guys were vigilant, then you guys could have made a good profit in this scenario as well. So for example, if you would have entered over here, you would have hit your stop loss immediately, but if you would have entered over here, then this would be your stop loss and your take profit will be approximately till here. So this trade would have given you guys a profit of approximately 3.9%, which is amazing. Even if we would have hit our stop loss in the previous trade, this trade would have given us a good recovery. So another entry point would be over here and the next would be over here. So for example, if we would enter from here, our stop loss will be over here and our take profit will be over here. So this trade would have given us a approximate profit of 1.8%. And on the other hand, if we would have entered over here, then we would have hit our stop loss. Okay, so let us and now let us take the selling scenario. So for example, as soon as market entered over here and gave us a good selling setup, then we could have, okay, just wait, let me take the selling. Then we could have entered over here and this would be our stop loss and our take profit will be approximately this. So this trade would have given us a 1.9% profit. And similarly, if we would have entered in from this selling setup, then we would have hit our stop loss. But once we would have entered from here, then our take profit would be our stop loss would be this, and our take profit would still be running in a good profit of approximately 3.7%. Okay, so now let me just switch and mark these areas ahead. As you guys can clearly see that these areas were very critical tomorrow as well. And you guys can clearly see that market is currently in support area, and I think that similar scenarios are going to remain same. So let me just move these scenarios ahead so you guys can have a better idea. Okay, so something like this. So, and if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the feedback section. Rest, everything is going to remain same, and just follow this given key, and you are going to make good profits. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.